Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers cheap. Addison, local and long distance movers near me. Moving belongings over a distance of at least 100 miles is a long distance move. Interstate moves take place across the state, while interstate moves take place within the same state. We offer excellent moving services. We know how important your belongings are, and we treat them with care. Our movers are well trained and pay attention when moving your items. Our trucks are of high standard and can accommodate and transport different items over long distances. We work closely with the state and federal authorities in charge of the relocation procedure. Our drivers are also experts. They have a license to transport items over long distances. They drive very carefully and are always on time. Although local moves are less expensive than long distance moves, our moving services are the cheapest you can find. We charge as low as $30 to $40 per hour. We have expert movers that help you achieve a smooth move in a busy city like Addison. Despite our low rates, we can give you the value for your money. We carry you along throughout the moving process of your move. With us in your corner, you can relax and plan other essential details of your move. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Addison moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.